Hi, this How to 1 Minute will show you how to post multi-snap at once on Snapchat on iPhone. Follow these easy steps to do it. Go ahead and launch your Snapchat app and now go to the camera section. And here to multi-snap, tap on this plus icon, scroll down, and here you will find this multi-snap option. Tap on that, and now all you have to need, take multiple snap like this. Now tap on edit and send, and here you can select any specific snap to edit the snap. So let's select this snap, and here as you can see I can add text and also I can add sticker to the snap from here, and you can also add filter by tapping here and just tap on send to, and I'm selecting my story and just tap on send. And this is how we can multi-snap on Snapchat on iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.